What's the meaning of careerist? Careerist. Careerist.
Careerist. Careerist. A careerist is a person who is solely focused on advancing their professional career and achieving success, often at the expense of other aspects of their life, such as family or personal interests. They may be highly ambitious and competitive, motivated by recognition and financial gain. While dedication to one's career can be admirable, excessive careerism can lead to burnout, strained relationships, and a lack of fulfillment. Ultimately, a careerist may prioritize work above all else and sacrifice their own well-being for the sake of success.